Welcome to HB Sound, where we are live hosting the 2020 Virtual Dirt Workshop. I want to give you an idea of behind the scenes so you can get excited just like we are for 2 days of soil health information. On this stage is where Tim Hamrich and I are going to be having the conversations and leading the discussions. Now if we come over here to This Is What Tim and I See. So I want to show you, this is where we're going to get your questions that you enter through the Q&A. So we'll have questions here. We'll have Zoom over here where we're going to run our live panels. And then we have PowerPoint down here for our great sponsors and also some of the different photos that we'll show. And then over here we have video. So we're pretty excited. We have 35 new field videos that we're going to show during the Dirt Workshop. This is a Command Central where we have Bryce, who's going to take in the questions, and then we also have Jamie, who's running the video. So you'll see we have a really great crew. We have several other people that are going to be here, and they're going to help us take this workshop to you in your house.